Now note, if you want to read these books, then read in Kitab al-Mulahi. The worst punishment has come upon the Arabs. The worst. There will be such a war, Al-Malhamat-ul-Uzma, which I will also present as a testimony to you, which has been called the Last Crusade. Bush had also said the word crusade, then he took it back. The truth comes out of the mouth. He said crusade and then took it back. This crusade, the extent to which the Arabs will be harmed. Greater Israel will be formed. Iraq, Syria, Jordan, some northern areas of Saudi Arabia, the southern areas of Turkey, the eastern areas of Egypt, and along with it the best areas of it, the delta of Nile, all these will be taken by the Jews. This has been said in the Hadith, Al-Malhamat-ul-Uzma. Christians will attack you with 80 flags and there will be 12,000 armies under each flag, 9.5 million army soldier. For whom is NATO being prepared? When the end of the USSR came, NATO was asked about it. Now for what? The enemy is over. Now we have to deal with Islamic fundamentalism. They know that this is the danger. Now Islam can rise. They are in the hearts of Muslims. The dust has come up. There is fire inside. Do not be deceived by this. And Bush said that Muslims want to establish the system of Khilafat from Spain to Indonesia. And I was surprised that this bastard thought of Spain. Why from Spain, we have forgotten. It is 500 years old when we were expelled from there. Allama Iqbal had said, if the Jews have a right on the land of Palestine, why do the Arabs not have a right on Spain? The Muslims ruled in Spain for 800 years, and now 500 years have passed. The Jews have been expelled from the land of Palestine for 2,000 years. They have been repopulate, the Arabs have been stabbed in the chest. Israel is a small country. He does whatever he wants. No one asks him. America protects Israel like his own son. And the Prophet said, when there will be a war, if one father has 100 sons, then 99 will die, only one son will survive. This is a true hadith, and the Prophet said, there is destruction for the Arabs. There is destruction for the Arabs. That would have come close. And today, the way the Arabs have destroyed their culture. Go to Dubai and see. We have established the worst Western society in Dubai. Now Saudi Arabia is moving in that direction. And after that, we are the Pakistanis at number 2. But what I am saying first is for sure, this is true from the Hadith. Although after that, the situation will turn. Then the advent of Hazrat Mahdi will take place. The advent of Jesus will take place. And that greater Israel will become the greater graveyard of the Jews. Every Jew will be killed and buried. This is going to happen later. I am saying the first thing. The situation will turn. What is in front of us now? The Prophet said Al-Malhamat-ul-Uzma. Christians called it Armageddon. If you go search about and see about Armageddon, you can understand in the dictionary. What is written? A very big war which will be fought between the forces of evil and good. Before the end of this world. Before the end of this world. There will be a very big war between the forces of good and evil. In Arabic, it is known as Al-Majdan, while in English the term is Armageddon. And it is in the last book of the Bible, which is Revelations of St. John. I'm saying this with confidence. It's not very far. It will come because of the Jews and the Christian conservatives, neoconservatives. They have a goal with 5-point agenda, according to which the Crusades were started. So listen, number 1, Armageddon, the establishment of Greater Israel. As a result of that, number 2, the fall of the Mosque of Aqsa and Qubat Sagra. Number 3, there, the third temple, the mosque that Hazrat Suleiman had built, 1000 BC. Then, the Nebuchadnezzar destroyed it. It was rebuilt. Then it was destroyed again. It fell to the 17th century. Their house, the Kaaba, has fallen. From the 17th century to the present. There is a wall, a wailing wall. Where they go, they cry. There it will become the third temple. And number 4, Olace, the throne of Prophet Dawood in the third temple. It will be brought and kept. The throne of Hazrat Dawood, also known as Prophet David. Where is this throne right now? This is in London, which is the church of their parliament, Westminster Abbey. It is kept there. There was a stone on which Hazrat Dawood, Prophet David, was crowned. Then Hazrat Suleiman was crowned. Then that stone was placed when Hazrat Suleiman built Hekel, the mosque of Aqsa. He stayed there. Every king who was a Jew was crowned by sitting on it. In the 70s, Titus brought it down. He took Hekel, that stone. He went from there to Rome, from Rome to Ireland, from Ireland to Scotland, from Scotland to England, and now it is kept there, from the 14th century to the present. It is kept in Westminster Abbey. It has been made into a chair seat. Now in Britain, any queen, any king, whoever has a crown ceremony, will be held on it. It will be brought and kept in the third temple, and according to the Jews, their Messiah will come. Who will be the Messiah? Dajjal, the Antichrist. According to the Christians, Jesus Christ will come. We also think that Jesus Christ will come. This is later. What I'm saying now is a great burden on the Arabs. And the matter of Pakistan, I can't say with certainty, hanging in the balance.
It is possible that Allah has mercy on us. It is possible, although there will be conditions for it.
And it is also possible that Allah has given us a country as a miracle. We have disobeyed Allah. We have disobeyed the promise. We have betrayed Allah. We didn't run the country Pakistan. According to the law and order of Allah mentioned in the Quran, civilians make commitment and pray to Allah, give them a country, and they will run it. With Allah will the law and order mention Quran, but they haven't, maybe as a punishment. This country would be taken away from us. It is just possible. If Pakistan change, fulfill its commitment they have done with Allah, the whole country may survive the East. Pakistan, today as Bangladesh had already been taken away. What is happening on one side? The NATO forces who attacked Iraq and Syria, and the other side is Indian forces in the West, are waiting like cattle. Pakistan should be more destabilized. There should be more instability here. So they can permanently destabilize Pakistan like Yemen. If there would be stability and peace or economic activity, they can rise and gave though time the entire country population is more the EU, all nation combined. There were explosions in Lahore again today. 2 days ago, I have endured the explosion and I'm sitting in front of you. There is nothing left to go. I can't tell you what happened to our academy. Why is all this happening? So that there is instability here and we get the answer. NATO forces should enter from the west, Indian forces should come from the east, and our atomic teeth should be broken, and then we should be put in front of India. Now do as you like. This is their plan. Allah knows what will happen. What Allah wants will happen. Allah knows best. Bring about a revolution here. Bring Islam here.
If you are engaged in haram business, then the revolution will not come by itself. The companions gave their wishes. How many difficulties did they face? For 12 years, during the Meccan period. Do you remember the day of Taif, which Hazrat Aisha said? I asked Huzur, was there ever a day more difficult than the day of Uhud? What happened on the day of Uhud? There was a sword attack.
On the bone of Ruksar, the sword went inside it. There were 2 knots of iron on it. It went inside it. Blessed soldiers tried to take it out. A companion tried to pull with his teeth. Teeth came out. The knots of iron must have been pulled. There was a flood of blood. So much blood is gone that Prophet fell unconscious. And it became famous that Prophet got martyred. The Prophet got martyred. Have you ever read this biography? This was the period of Hazrat Aisha's consciousness. On the day of Taif, how would she know what was happening with Prophet? The people, they threw stones on our Prophet. The Prophet went to Taif in the hope that maybe a leader from there would bring faith. So understand the situation. Abu Talib also, uncle, passed away. It was a family support through Abu Talib. And there was a Sayyida Khadija who lived in the house. She also passed away. Now, the enemies has decided that Prophet have lack of support, so they thought as soon as possible they should kill the Prophet. When situation became difficult for our Prophet, that's why you went to Taif. Maybe a big leader from there will bring faith to me. Then I will shift here and start calling mankind toward Allah. When the Prophet met all three said, "Get out of here, I'm not even ready to talk to you." Oh, Allah didn't find anyone other than you to make a prophet. Look, I don't want to talk to you. Maybe if you are a true prophet of Allah, maybe I will insult you and get doomed. This treatment with prophet. And then the people are throwing stones on prophet. There is no one with prophet, only one person, Zayd ibn Haritha. Now the stone is coming from the front. Then Hazrat Zayd comes forward. So stone fell on him, not on prophet. People are throwing stones from different directions. A shield cannot be made from all four sides. The body of our prophet starts bleeding, shoes filled with blood. These are the sufferings prophet faced. The companions of the prophet were starving, and in the condition of those hungry people, they have been ordered to dig ditches. The big deep ditches so protect people from ground invasion. Due to hunger, they have tied stones to their stomachs with their blankets. And when the companions are running their camels, what are they saying? We are those who have pledged allegiance to Muhammad on the jihad of what remains forever. O Allah, there is no life except the life of the hereafter. The companions were saying that we are those who have pledged allegiance to Muhammad, that we will continue to do jihad as long as there is life. As long as there is life, even if we are starving, there is life. And once they were saying, O Allah, there is no life except the life of the hereafter. Life is the life of the hereafter. And the Prophet was saying, while the Prophet was sitting there, when the companions were saying, there is no life except the life of the hereafter, the Prophet was saying, forgive the Ansar and the Muhajireen. O Allah, forgive the Ansar and the Muhajireen. Then some people came to the Prophet's service. O Prophet, now I have tolerated this hunger and thirst. Look, we have tied these stones to our clothes. The Prophet picked up his kurta and showed it to us. There were 2 stones tied to it. This is the way of the Prophet. What do you think is the way of the Prophet? Anyway, on this subject I have a book called Manhaj-e-Inqilab-e-Nabaween. How did the revolution come? If you have even a little desire in your heart, say, O Allah, accept me as well. Accept me for this work. That book is a must for you. Read it.